Sales versus profit. Which one is more important? If you say it depends, then you're absolutely right. Most coaches will drill home top line growth. We need more sales. We need more sales. We need more sales. However, it really depends on what type of business model you are in. Now, there's a few business models that actually work really well. The one that doesn't work really well is having low volume and having low profit. I kind of compare this to when my daughter decided to become an entrepreneur in high school, buying candy at a high price and selling it to her friends, having low volume and low profit margins. Now, there's another model that works pretty well for certain types of companies. If you have a high volume, low profit type of company, let's say Walmart, then if it works for you, that means you're really focusing on sales, you're driving sales home, you have low profit margins. But if you have a lot of high volume, when it comes to sales, low profit, it could work for your business, obviously, because Walmart, you're talking about billions of dollars in revenue every single year. If you're focused on low volume and high profit, well, you're not really drilling home sales. You're really drilling home having an extended profit margin, like high profit margins, which could work for your business. And then you have a business model that focuses on high sales volume and high profit. Now, in this particular situation, you're focusing on sales and you're focusing on profits. And remember this, no matter what business model you run, you still need profit systems to capture your revenue, capture your profits, capture your cash and your cash flow. You have to remember, cash and cash flow are most critical to your business. If you look at successful companies, they typically have 3 to 10 times the amount of cash assets on hand compared to their competitors. So you have to make sure, no matter what, you got profit systems in place. Let me give you an example of having a profit system in place. Things that you can avoid when you have profit systems. Let's say your business generates $500K in revenue each year, and you decide to pay yourself, of course you should pay yourself, you pay yourself a salary of $75,000, and then you have independent contractors working with you in your business because it's an actual business and you need people helping you run the business, and you pay them another $75K a year. And then let's say you have operation expenses that total to $100K a year. Now, what if you decide to say, you know what, we want to have a 35% net profit margin? That is great, right? And then you have to put aside 15% because the tax man has to get paid. Now, that sounds great, but without profit systems, here's what most entrepreneurs go through. They meet with their CPA at the end of the year, and the CPA does everything they're supposed to do and say, great, you had a wonderful year. You had 35% profit margins, net profits. Great, but here's the problem. It's showing up on your balance sheet, but it's not showing up in your bank account. This is why profit systems running your finances are most critical towards your success for your company, no matter how big, no matter how small. Profit systems are important, but you have to remember you still need a marketing and sales system so you can get in one of the best business models I believe is on the planet, and that's high volume in sales and high profit margins. At BLCU, we focus on 3 things, and that's mastering people, mastering profits, and mastering processes. Those 3 combined together will give you the successful business that you dreamed of. What we do is we help entrepreneurs build up their leadership, increase their profits, and build out their systems so they can grow, scale, and start running their business with ease. If you'd like to learn more, just click the button below and schedule a complimentary call with one of our coaches. I'll talk to you soon.